Hey everybody, and welcome to Brett's Brain. Today we're going to talk through the how to leverage a one-pager in executive summary and why an entrepreneur should even put one together in the first place. You might be coming to this video because of the Medium post that we wrote about best practices for putting together an exec summary. And why do you want one? Well, in my opinion, I think of the executive summary very similar to an elevator pitch. It's a really great thing to have in a really short, concise format that you can use to get somebody's attention or to get a meeting. The whole goal is not to put all the information you have in an exec summary and cram it in there and allow them to make a decision on investment or on sales. But what the idea is to put enough in there to get them interested to have a meeting for you. It's the same thing as an elevator pitch. You don't want to tell them everything about your company. You want to tell them just enough to make sure they remember you and get interested. So that's the why you need one. How do you leverage it? How you can leverage it is in multiple ways. The first thing you should do is it's a great tool to send off as with your forwardable email to your close-in network. We did a video about forwardable emails and best practices, and I would definitely recommend you go check that out as well. And so what you can do is when you send it out to your network, your current investors, your advisors, that exec summary is a great little thing you can include, and it makes it easier for that person making a warm reference for you to tell your story. And again, make sure you don't cram too much information in this exec summary. You just want to use it as a tool to get a meeting. Another great use case for the exec summary is after you're out networking, when you're out meeting people, it's a great follow-up. If you're at a networking event, don't pitch at that event. Get to know the person and then at the end of the conversation say, hey, do you mind if I shoot you off my exec summary? I'd love to potentially see if you're interested in having another more formal meeting. It's a great excuse to follow up. And you don't have to send a ton of information, a deck or financials. You just send them that little snip that gets them interested enough so they want to come meet you. The exec summary is a great tool to provide a little bit more information to help your network tell your story and to get those next meetings. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe because we put stuff out every week.